In a latest development, the Supreme Court today disposed of all 10 petitions, including the ones filed by the National Human Rights Commission seeking proper investigation into the communal riots that broke out in Gujarat back in 2002. The cases included the transfer petitions filed by the NHRC, special leave petitions filed by riot victims, and the writ petition filed by the NGO Citizens for Justice and Peace during 2003 to 2004, seeking transfer of probe from the Gujarat police to the CBI in the cases of violence that took place in Gujarat following the Godhra carnage of February 2002. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India U. Lalit and Justices S. Ravinder Bhatt and J.B. Pardiwala disposed of the cases as infructuous after noting that the court had constituted a special investigating team for the investigation and prosecution of 9 cases related to the riots, and that trial in 8 of those cases have already been completed. During the proceedings today, senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for the SIT, told the bench that trial in only one matter out of the 9 cases pertaining to the Naroda Gaon area is still pending and is at the stage of final arguments. In other cases, trials have already been completed and the cases are at the appellate stage either before the High Courts or the Supreme Court. The bench also noted that advocates Aparna Bhatt, Ijaz Maqbool and Amit Sharma, appearing for the petitioners, have fairly accepted the statement of the SIT. Accordingly, the bench recorded in the order while disposing of the cases, and I quote, "Since all matters have now become infructuous, the court is of the view that this court need not entertain these petitions any longer. The matters are therefore disposed of as being infructuous." Advocate Aparna Bhatt further informed the Supreme Court today that a plea made by social activist Teesta Setalvad, whose NGO Citizens for Peace and Justice had moved applications in Supreme Court for proper investigation in riot cases seeking protection, was also pending. The counsel further informed the bench that she could not get instructions from Setalvad as she is currently under custody in a fresh case registered by the Gujarat police. Accordingly, the bench gave liberty to Setalvad to make an application before the concerned authority for relief. With these observations and directions, the cases pertaining to the Gujarat riots were disposed of by the Supreme Court today. This is Aratrika Bhomik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates. If you like our content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.